The topic of this video is area, and the first question we asked to find the area of a trapezium. A trapezium has one pair of parallel sides, and in this case I've chosen a right trapezium because one of the ends of the trapezium, the side is at a right angle to the parallel sides. Now we know that the formula for the area of a trapezium is a half a plus b times height, and basically this is our a and this is our b and this is our height, and that part, half of a plus b, it's like finding the average length of the shape, and by finding the average length it's like we're trying to reduce it to being like the area of a rectangle. So substituting the numbers in, it's a half times 30 plus 38 times 20, and that will be a half times 68 times 20, which will be 680, and the units are metres, I should say square metres. Second question is the area of a circle. There is only one formula for the area of a circle, it's pi times r squared. And that makes it a little bit different to circumference, because with circumference there's two formulas, but with area there's only one. So you must know the radius. In this particular question we've been given the diameter, so we need to halve that diameter to get the radius, so the radius is 2.5 centimetres. So this is pi times 2.5 squared. Using the pi button on our calculator, that turns out to be 19.63 square centimetres. The third shape, we've got basically in this part here a quarter of a circle, subtract the triangle, will give us that shaded area. Okay, this is a quarter of a circle, subtract the triangle. So we can write that in an equation. So the shaded area is equal to the area of the quarter of a circle, subtract the area of a triangle. So the area of a quarter of a circle, so it's a quarter times, but the area of the circle is pi r squared, and we know what the radius is, so that's good. And triangle is a half base times height, and we know the base and the height. We know that in this triangle that these two sides must be the same. So one of these is the base and one's the height, if you sort of reorientate it and sit it on a base of 5 centimetres. So this is a quarter times pi times by 5 squared, subtract a half times 5 times 5, which comes out at 19.63, take away 12.5, which is equal to 7.13 square centimetres. And the fourth question, we have a compound shape or a composite shape, and we can put a dotted line in across here, and we can say that the area total is equal to the area of the rectangle plus the area of this shape below, which if you look has two parallel sides, so it's actually a trapezium. So the area of the rectangle is length times width, and the area of the trapezium is half a plus b times height. So in the rectangle up the top here, we know that the length is 30 and we know that the width is 5. Now in the trapezium, our A and our B side is 30 and 5 times by the height. Now this is the height here, and that is equal to 30 take away 5, which is equal to 25 centimetres. So that's going to be 25. So that's 150 plus, now sorting that out, 150 plus 437.5 gives a total of 587.5 square centimetres.